Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. In this video we're going to take a look at the options available for an administrator to customize the MYOB Advanced interface. If you're new to MYOB Advanced, this will let you begin setting up the interface to suit your needs. If you've upgraded from an earlier version that used the old Advanced interface, you'll need to set up the new Workspace menu structure to recreate any customizations you've made previously. If you're a user with administrative rights, you'll see an Edit menu option at the bottom of the navigation pane. Click this option to put the menu in edit mode, where you can make changes to the existing workspaces or create all new workspaces. When you're in edit mode, selecting a workspace shows all of the menu items on the workspace with options to edit each one. The checkboxes at the left of each item determine whether or not they appear in the quick menu by default. If they're not ticked, then they'll only be available when the user clicks the Show Full Menu option on the workspace. The two options on the right of each item let you delete them from the workspace or edit their properties. To create a brand new workspace, click Add Workspace at the top of the screen. Enter its details and then click OK to add a new blank workspace to the menu structure. You can reposition workspaces by dragging them up and down the navigation pane. Each workspace has edit and delete options that work the same way as the options for the menu items. To add items to a new or existing workspace, click Add Menu Item or Add Tile. Menu items are the text links that appear in the main part of the workspace, while tiles are graphical links that appear at the top. When you're adding menu items, you're shown a searchable list of all available menu items in the system. You can add more than one menu item at a time. Tick the boxes for any menu items you want to add, and then click Add or Add and Close. You can see that menu items are organised into categories on a workspace. You select the category when you add or edit the menu item. The list of available categories can be edited or added to from this Menu Settings drop-down. Tiles work a little differently. They link directly to a form. When you add a tile, select the form you want it to open from this drop-down. You can also enter parameters to be passed to the form. This can let you do things like open a form with a particular record already selected, or run a report with the report parameters already filled in. When you've made all the changes you want to, click Exit Edit Menu to save your changes and leave edit mode. You can use the standard user security features to control access to your workspaces. Users will only see menu options for the screens that they have access to, and if they don't have access to any of the screens on a workspace, then they won't see that workspace at all. By keeping users' access rights in mind when setting up your workspaces, you can customize your MYOB Advanced system in a way that ensures users will always see an interface that's tailored to their role. And that's the end of our look at customizing the user interface in MYOB Advanced. If you want to learn more, visit the MYOB Advanced Education Centre or see the other videos in our Advanced Academy series. Thanks for watching.